Fred Fletch, back again with another video. Today's video is going to be real quick and simple. It's going to be an install video on the Civic. So I'm going to show you guys what we're installing. I put this in all my cars. I had it in the RSX too, my Integra, all that. So wink mirror, I don't know, it looks cool. You can see a lot, like behind you see everything. But I remember I bought this like a few months ago and it was too small. Like it wouldn't mount up. Like normally I would mount it up to here, to the factory hole, so I don't got to drill. But it doesn't quite line up. It's kind of short. So I'm gonna just finesse something today and get it to work. So if I got to drill into it, I don't give a fuck, because I'm about to change this headliner out to Bride. I'm doing Bride everything inside, so I really don't care. So yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna do this shit. So yeah. All right, so here's the mirror. Comes with these knobs to adjust it. There are a bunch of screws, the knobs. Oh shit. What the hell are the nuts for this? Oh, they're inside already. Okay, so I'm gonna mount these brackets into the factory holes for where the mirrors go. Not the mirrors, the sun visors go. And these are, I got these, they're long enough to go. So I'm just gonna screw these on and then try to mock up the mirror, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. That one tight. So gotta tighten this one now. Wish I had my tripod. See if I can tighten that. And then yeah, put these knobs on right there, and then there we have it. It should be done. So a quick little video. Wish I had my tripods. I could do a better installation video, but I'm just trying to keep up like the weekly uploads. So yeah, let me mount this up and then get back to it. All right, guys, I got it up. Shit nice. I feel like I'm in my car now. Like my car feels more complete with this. But yeah, quick little install. Hopefully it was helpful. It's pretty like self-explanatory how to install this mirror. But if you're new to this channel, man, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when I do my future uploads. Drop a comment down below, smash the like button, and then stay tuned for the next one, man. Your boy Fred Fletch, and we out here. Peace. Wavy boy.